Creativity is at the heart of all innovation, but it's not only about innovation, it's about what you do with your innovation and the impact that it has. The University of Manchester has a great tradition of pioneering discoveries and basic research, but it's also about how you turn those discoveries and that pioneering research into impact. Manchester's Innovation Factory is here to help us do that. Over the last 5 years alone, we've raised over £20 million of licensing income, spun out 45 companies, and also raised over £270 million of funding. So these innovations are driving positive change across healthcare, sustainability, and advanced materials, reinforcing the university's leadership in commercializing our research. But innovation doesn't happen in isolation. The University of Manchester's Innovation Factory can help you with the connections, funding, and expertise, whether through licensing, partnerships, or indeed launching a spinout. Many academics are able to continue their careers doing cutting-edge research and seeing their work have real-world impact through commercialization. You can do both. Think about how your research can have world-leading, long-lasting impact. Reach out to the University of Manchester's Innovation Factory to see how they can support you.